Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fort Stewart Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me. A long-distance move is a move that covers over 50 miles or more from your existing location. 3 men and a truck has organized a large number of long-distance moves over the years, and we know what to expect. We make use of sturdy and high-standard trucks that are capable of making long trips without breaking down. We hire only experienced drivers that have licenses to drive over long distances. Our drivers know all the traffic laws and follow them. Although they drive promptly, they are very careful. Our movers are very cautious when handling your belongings. The safety of your belongings is our priority, and we do all that we can to ensure your belongings get to your location with no damage. In addition, we have put in place adequate insurance plans to cover risks during the move. Long-distance moves are less than 50 miles and are often more expensive than local moves. Also, local moves are less complicated, but making proper plans and hiring competent movers will ensure a hassle-free move. Our hourly charges are the most affordable in Fort Stewart, Georgia. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. We maintain high-quality services despite our low prices. That is why locals are confident in referring us to others. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Stewart moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.